YouTube, today is a special day, boy. YouTube, today is a special day. My plan is to get a lot done today, for sure. That being said, I'm not gonna waste any time. It's about 70 degrees out here, so yeah. So started my day off with this guy right here. I went to go pick this up. Michigan streets, man, I tell you. End up, man, I had to put air in the tire every day. I was like, what's going on? It ended up being a crack, but they welded it, and thank God it was on his backside. It seemed to hold, so we'll see. But I'm almost at the point. It's been what? I done had these 4 years. It's time to let these go anyway. I'm probably gonna sell these for them cheap and look for something else. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what color I'm painting the car today too. But I'm gonna get this sanded down just a little bit more because I gotta pull some stuff around here. But I'm kind of excited today because I got my dip puller, y'all. And yes, I messed with Harbor Freight. Look, I got a jack that I ain't even opened yet, a 3-ton. All my stuff come from Harbor Freight. Look, Harbor Freight, everything, Harbor Freight. I done pull engines and put engines in with Harbor Freight tools. Look, Harbor Freight everywhere. Look, Harbor Freight. Man, I stand on Harbor Freight. Look, Harbor Freight, engine stand. Stand on it. And the crazy part about it is when you cop the warranty for them, no matter if the part is bad or not, you can return it within that time frame and just get it brand new again. Look, Harbor Freight, everything. Not to mention it's right around the corner from me. But right now I'm gonna put y'all on the stand. I'm gonna get that cleaned up just a little bit more and I'm gonna start pulling that dent. So I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, YouTube, finna get that little bit of paint out. The last time I was sanding that's some strong, like this is 70s paint, and it's probably lead and asbestos and all type of, I don't know what in there, so I'm gonna mask up. Alright, YouTube, I got all the paint that I need off. My first time using one of these, but we don't, you know how we do. We men, we don't need directions. You know what I'm saying? We just do it. Then we wait till we mess up before we want to start reading the manual. But until then, we just do it. So we about to see what's my first time using this one, but I seen the videos, so sort of like I'm a pro already. At least that's what it's gonna appear like. Up here like. YouTube, for the most part, I got the dent pulled out as much as I can. So a little bit of Bondo to go over it, but I think I did pretty good for the first time using that device. It put the dents out pretty good. And if you notice, this was pushed way back down there. So instead of using a whole bunch of Bondo, only gotta use a little. Therefore, it wouldn't cause any cracks in the Bondo and all that type of stuff. Alright, YouTube, I'm about to lay this first coat of Evercoat filler on here. So I got the dent pulled out as much as I can. So I'm about to lay the first coat of filler on here. And then I'll block it, and then I'll go from there. And it's probably almost guaranteed gonna need a second coat, maybe even third coat, but better safe than sorry. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, YouTube, I got the first coat on there. It ain't the prettiest, but it's on there. You know, I ain't a professional Bondo spreader, but once I knock it down, get it even, and then see where my high and low areas are, it'll look definitely a lot better. But right now, my goal was to get it on there before it dried up, and that's what I did. So I just sprayed it on there the best way I could, and then I'll start knocking it down or evening it out, and then from there I'll block it, but it's gonna probably need a couple more coats, especially where the dent was at. I pulled it out as much as I can, but it's still gonna need probably at least one more coat. So yeah, but I'll be right back with y'all, YouTube. I'm finna start knocking it down. Alright, YouTube, got that second coat on there. At this point, when I knock this down, everything should be pretty level. So I'm gonna sit this on the stand and get set up. Did another little skim coat. I don't know if I told y'all that before, but I forgot where I was at on this thing. It's been a minute. Let me get this thing screwed down. But yeah, YouTube, that's where I'm at with it. I'm just trying to get it all leveled out. So with that being said, it's go time again. What up, YouTube? So got it completely level, pretty smooth. I got it sanded down with 320, and what you see here is some glazing putty, some spot putty, and that's for the little pinholes and stuff that was in there. So once I sand that down, it'll be ready for some epoxy primer, and then once I shoot the epoxy primer on there, then I'll sand it down, and then the epoxy is gonna show me my high and low areas, which I don't think I got none, but you know, I could be wrong, but that's gonna show me. So I get that sanded down, and then from there, hopefully I'll be done with this side, and then I'll come around and hit this other side. I should have took a close up of them dents. I'm gonna take a close up of this. If you see that, that's like really bad. That's bad. But the driver's side was worse, believe it or not. So I'm gonna have to take that lock off. Then there's a few areas down here that need touched up. Area right here, I don't know if you can see it. This area right here needs to touch up. But you know, it's been it took a minute to get that side level. It's gonna probably take a minute to get this side level though. But I don't do body work every day, so I ain't quick at it. I ain't even gonna lie. This probably should have only took, well, I mean, I work every day, so it probably took 3 days, probably man hours, I would say. It took about 6 man hours to completely get rid of this, all the dents in this area. But you know, if you remember this side, especially up in here, was really bad. But man, came a long way. I can see progress, So just wanted to show y'all that. I'll get back with y'all too.